Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online. If you ever need to record a paycheck manually, one simple way to do it is by using a journal entry. This method is helpful when the paycheck was processed outside of QuickBooks, but you still want your books to reflect the payroll activity accurately. For example, this situation can happen if you use a separate payroll system, an external payroll provider, or if payroll was completed before your QuickBooks Online account was fully set up. Creating a journal entry allows you to bring that payroll information into your accounting records without having to recreate the entire payroll process. The key is to make sure the amounts you enter match the payroll information you already have, such as a payroll report or a pay stub. Accurate information is important because payroll affects multiple areas of your financial records, including expenses, liabilities, and employee-related balances. Even a small mistake can cause differences when you compare your books with your payroll records or bank activity. Before creating the journal entry, take a moment to confirm that your tracking accounts are already set up in your chart of accounts. This is important because payroll needs to be split properly between expense accounts and liability accounts. Your chart of accounts acts as the foundation for organizing your financial activity. Having the correct payroll accounts available before entering the paycheck helps ensure your reports are easier to understand and maintain. For example, you'll typically want accounts for payroll expenses along with payroll liabilities for deductions or amounts that still need to be remitted. Payroll expenses usually represent the cost of paying employees, while payroll liabilities track amounts that are owed, such as deductions that need to be paid to another party. Having these accounts ready first makes the entry much cleaner and helps keep your reporting organized. Once that's in place, go to the plus New button in QuickBooks Online and choose Journal Entry. This opens the screen where you'll manually record the paycheck activity. The Journal Entry screen allows you to manually enter the debit and credit details needed to reflect the payroll transaction in your accounting records. This gives you control over exactly how the paycheck is recorded. From here, enter the paycheck date exactly as it appears on the payroll report or pay stub. Using the correct date helps keep your payroll records aligned with the correct reporting period. Using the right date is especially important when preparing monthly, quarterly, or yearly financial reports, because payroll needs to appear in the correct accounting period. Next, enter the paycheck amount and the relevant employee deductions using the information from your payroll report or stub. This part is where accuracy matters most. You want the journal entry to reflect what was actually paid, as well as any deductions that were taken out. Those deductions may affect your payroll liability balances, so it's a good idea to review each amount carefully before saving anything. For example, if taxes, benefits, or other deductions were withheld from the paycheck, those amounts should be recorded correctly so your liability accounts match what you still owe. As you enter the details, make sure the amounts are being assigned to the appropriate payroll expense and payroll liability accounts. This ensures your financial statements show payroll correctly, and it also makes reconciliation much easier later on. Proper account assignment helps you avoid confusing financial reports and makes it easier to track where payroll costs are being recorded. If you're unsure about which amounts belong in which account, it's best to pause and verify them against your existing payroll setup or accounting process. Checking your payroll documentation before completing the entry can save you time later and help prevent corrections after reports have already been prepared. Once everything matches your payroll documentation, review the journal entry one more time for accuracy. Double-check the date, amounts, and account selections so the paycheck is recorded properly in QuickBooks Online. Before finalizing the entry, make sure the total debits and credits balance correctly and that the information matches your payroll records. This final review helps keep your books accurate. That's how to enter a manual paycheck in QuickBooks Online using a journal entry. Done carefully, this gives you a clean and reliable way to reflect payroll activity in your books. Keeping accurate payroll records makes it easier to monitor expenses, prepare financial statements, and maintain organized bookkeeping as your business grows.